Text-Tination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
The search trends during this year's Super Bowl had a different look this year. Sure, there were the usual searches for players who were making big plays and recipe searches before the game for wings and dips. Google's Marta Martinez says the number of new viewers drawn in by Taylor Swift most likely had a pretty big impact on the search trends.
And maybe it is all of the Swifties who joined the Super Bowl following Taylor Swift that really turned into this top search topic, which was the following question: how many quarters in the Super Bowl? You see that there was a lot of learning, which probably reflects a completely new audience coming into the game, which is wonderful in itself.
In fact, this year's Super Bowl was the most watched telecast of all time, reaching 123.7 million viewers, according to Nielsen.
You can find us at text-tination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin.
Power life with good energy. That's been the philosophy at GoSun. We've been telling you about their remarkable ovens that let you cook with the power of the sun, day or night, rain or shine. And the innovations there continue. I've been using a GoSun cooler for years. Keep your food cold or even frozen without the need for heavy and messy ice. You can plug it in at home, in the car, or use battery power recharged by the sun. One of the latest innovations is the solar heated seat. Founder Patrick Sherwin and his team have created a seat that can warm you up fast in any weather. The battery is long-lasting and can be charged by a solar panel built right into the seat. And when you don't need the heat, you can keep your devices charged using that same solar panel and battery wherever you go. They have a lot more to show you, so pay a visit at gosun.co.